Hi, in this video I will show you how to log into Costco Citi Card online account. So head over to citi.com and you should be able to see in here this. So make sure to fill up your user ID and password and then make sure to also click on this remember user ID if you're using your own computer. Do not select it if you're using a public computer. Now from there, click on the sign on right here in order to log into that. If you haven't an account yet, you can head over and register or activate your account. If you On some cases, if you forgot your user ID or password, head over and click on each one of them. So for example, if you forgot your password, click on this password right here. And then this will prompt you to the forgot password page of Citi. So make sure to fill up everything needed from this page. Just enter in here your bank or Citi card, credit card for customers. You can also choose in here mortgage applicants, certificate, brokerage, and click on continue in order to retrieve your credentials. Once you are done with that, you should be able to log in successfully to Costco Citi Card. So that's how you log into Costco Citi Card online account. I hope this video helped you out.